Seems I just don't have nowhere to go. Sure would like to see your face, I know. Wish that I could find some place to go.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo. Another cool and sunny day here in Central California. You know what that means.
All I see is stripes and stars, purple roses, floating cars. Almost passed out on my lawn. Too many pills, not enough dough. Like too many niggas, not enough coats. No money on the sack, you gotta go. Like I get lifted on my own, day and night. All I do is sip methazine and get extra keys. No one here, it's just me. If that's true, then who is she? Him, her, it's all a blur. Friends say one day I'll OD. Maybe so, we'll see. Until then, I'm in search of day and night. As a lonely stoner, I'm so lit up a whole zip. No shit, it's potent. You can smell the aroma on my clothing. It's so thick, not a chronic blunt, I won't get. I'm so California, can't deny I should have been on this since day one. What took me so long? Too many hits out of that bomb. Iron lungs, still I call. I can't move, so I crawl. Sunset till nightfall. Sunset till nightfall. Day and night. The lone star is sleeping free is mine at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to